Hello everybody, here's my latest commission, a pair of seahorses. Do you remember the seahorses I made before? There was a yellow one and a blue one. Well, the client really liked them and has commissioned these. And these will go either side of the whiting on the wall, the big round one of the whiting with his tail in his mouth, in the swimming pool in Cyprus. They're going to look splendid when they're installed. I really like the pink marini that I've chosen and turquoise for the body of the seahorse. We've got the border of the bladderwrack seaweed, which we've seen lots of times before in my work. This time the background is not the crazy paving, Opus Palladinium, it's more classical. We've got the worm that goes around the Opus vermiculatum, and then I've created nice waves following the movement of the seahorse to give a really nice flow, I think anyway. So I think they're a great success. I'm really pleased with them. I think my client will be too. And as usual, there's an accompanying verse which goes like this. The seahorse. Being a male seahorse is rather oblique. There's something about me that's totally unique. It makes all the ladies chortle with mirth when they learn I'm the one who has to give birth.